Automatic sample handling with collaborative robot. Fully automation. Flange opens and closes automatically, no manual intervention required. All parameters are preset in advance. One click for all experiment processes. Open source software for the furnace. Compatible with your own automation system. Remote control for safety and convenience. Multiple platform operation terminals. Multiple units enables high-throughput sintering of samples. For more information about MTI high-throughput and automation heat treatment equipment for Intelligent Material Research Lab, please contact MTI or your local distributor. MTI, the leading provider of scientific equipment for material research.